This 2027 Jayco North Point 395 DSDB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Jacksonville, Florida 32277 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Jacksonville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, rear bath, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.